Willie, and her formula is up on the screen. And what's great about Willie's hair is she's gorgeous. She really is. She's so pretty. And short hair looks amazing on her. And what I wanted to do, keep a little bit of these accent pieces. She likes something a bit quirky. So I cut the hair. Oh, by the way, I did want to mention I cut color and style. So, and I love doing all three services. And in the salon's made up of the stylists that do all of these services. So yes, the haircuts are done by myself. So I'm really excited that I get a chance to cut my own models and everything and style them. But here with Willie's hair, what it is I added dimension using 3 tones. So we've got a deeper root, we've got a level 6 root, 6/97, which is a level 6 cool brunette. Then through the midsection, we've got 7/73, which is let's say a level 7 caramel. That's in the mid. And then I lighten the ends using Blonde Or. So very simple, dark, medium, and a light, but the light's only placed in the areas that I want accent of, which is all the way around the top area, but not through the parietal areas and not through the exterior. And actually, when Willie, I did her hair yesterday, she came in this morning. She was on a hot date last night. Don't mind me saying, do you? No? She was on a date last night, and she said that she absolutely loved the colors, and her date went really well. So I must be... I said, oh, that's a good haircut and color, and we high-fived each other. You know, I know the ladies will appreciate that. But I'm just applying some product through because I didn't want to put the product in her hair before the presentation because I wanted to comb through it. But you can see it really adds dimension. She's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, she's got great texture. Just wanted to piece it out. The haircut was done with the scissors and texturizers. It wasn't done with the razor, but I kept it very short and piecey. But I love the caramels. When I described this color to her, I said it's going to be like a very creamy, wheaty color with some cappuccino and caramel tones. I always describe my colors to my clients in the salon by food because I'm a big foodie. But they get it. You know, if you say to a client, like more like a Cabernet red, not like a Pinot Noir, they get it. They know. No, seriously, they really do. That's why I love to describe hair color by food. Actually, if I maybe one day in the future, I'll change the whole Weller color chart to names of food. How about that? Can you imagine? So, lovely girl. Cute style, I mean, just great hair and texture, dimension of 3 levels, very straightforward and easy, but what I learned, small amount made a huge difference. Thank you, Willie.